Dream Destiny Destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
Puerto Rico. The name echoes with questions. Is it a country, a territory, a dream, or a destination? It's not a nation, nor simply a U.S. state. Puerto Rico floats in a gray sea of identity. Two flags, two languages, a story all its own. Puerto Rico is not just a point on a map, it's a living question, suspended between dream and destiny. Puerto Rico's geography is an invitation to explore. Look at the north coast. San Juan, the capital, faces the Atlantic, bracing itself against ocean storms. To the west is Rincon, famous for towering waves and sunsets that set the sky on fire. The center is mountainous, a backbone called the Cordillera Central. Here, peaks like Cerro de Punta rise above the clouds, casting shadows over coffee farms and hidden villages. Drive south and the land changes. In Ponce, the pearl of the south, the Caribbean Sea gleams a deeper blue. The east is green and wild, where the rainforest of Yunque spills down toward Fajardo in the sea. Off the main island, smaller gems appear, Vieques and Culebra. Each has its own beaches, its own secrets. Rivers carve their way from mountains to sea. The Rio Grande de Loiza, the island's longest river, snakes through valleys rich with legend and life. Caves like Cueva Ventana offer windows to the world below. A reminder that Puerto Rico is layered, above and beneath. No two parts of the island are the same. Each coast, each valley, each island within the island tells its own story. El Yunque rises in the northeast, a living green cathedral. It is the only tropical rainforest in the United States National Forest System. The air here is thick with mist. Tree frogs, called coqui, sing their night song. Water tumbles down from Lamina Falls, threading the forest with silver. The forest is alive in every sense. Giant tabanuco trees reach for the sky. Vines twist and climb, searching for light. Bright parrots flash between branches. In hidden pools, rare shrimp and tiny freshwater fish dart away from visitors' shadows. The ground is soft and springy, covered in fallen leaves and moss. Walk the trails, El Yunque Trail, La Coca Trail. The silence is never complete. Insects buzz, leaves rustle, and somewhere the coqui calls. At the peak, clouds drift past your face, turning the world silver and strange. The view stretches to the sea, reminding you the rainforest is an island within an island. El Yunque is more than a forest. It is Puerto Rico's wild heart. It pulses with life, with legends, and with the hope of rain. Some wonders show themselves only at night. On the island of Vieques, south of Puerto Rico's mainland, the waters of Mosquito Bay begin to glow. It is a bay like no other. When the sky grows dark, millions of tiny creatures, dinoflagellates, light up the water with an electric blue. People come from around the world to witness this miracle. Take a kayak, dip your hand. Your fingers leave trails of light. Each ripple shivers with color. The glow is brightest during a new moon, when the sky is black and stars seem to spill into the sea. Scientists call it the brightest bioluminescent bay on Earth. The magic is fragile. Pollution and careless boaters threaten the tiny creatures. Locals guard the bay, telling visitors to respect the dark and the delicate balance of life here. For many, the experience is almost spiritual, a reminder that the world can still surprise us. Mosquito Bay is not just a tourist stop, it is a living treasure, proof that wonder survives when we care for it. Puerto Rico's story is, honestly, one of collision. The Taíno people lived here long before Columbus arrived in 1493. Their words, like hurricane and canoe, still echo in island Spanish today. Spain claimed the island, building forts and churches, planting sugarcane, and bringing enslaved Africans. The city of San Juan was founded in 1521, its walls rising against pirates and storms. For 4 centuries, Puerto Rico was a Spanish colony. Then, in 1898, after the Spanish-American War, the island became a territory of the United States. New rulers, new rules, but the same old question, who are we? The Jones Act of 1917 gave U.S. citizenship, but not statehood. Puerto Ricans serve in the U.S. military and vote in primaries, but not for president. History is everywhere here, in the plazas, in the churches, in the old sugar mills crumbling in the sun. Each era left its mark, each wave of people, Taíno, Spanish, African, American, adding layers to the island's soul. Puerto Rico is not just a place that was colonized. It is a place that responded, resisted, and, honestly, remade itself over and over again. Religion beats through Puerto Rican life. Most people are Catholic, but African and Taíno traditions survive in festivals and saints' days. In Ponce, the annual carnival fills the streets with masks, music, and painted devils called Vieques. Bells ring from San Juan's Catedral de San Juan Bautista, one of the oldest churches in the Americas. Music carries the spirit of the island. Salsa began here, with its fast steps and brass bands. Reggaeton, born in the clubs of San Juan, pulses through car radios and city squares. Every festival, every family party is an excuse for music. Drums, guitars, trumpets, and voices blend into something wild and joyful. Faith is not separate from daily life. It is woven into every celebration. On Three Kings Day, children leave grass for camels and wake to find gifts. At San Sebastian Street Festival in San Juan, the old city shakes with parades, art, and laughter deep into the night. Puerto Rico's traditions are not just remembered, they are reinvented, danced, and sung every day. Old San Juan stands above the sea, a city of blue cobblestones and candy-colored walls. Castillo San Felipe del Morro, called El Morro by locals, guards the entrance to the bay. Built in the 16th century, its stone towers and cannon are silent now, but you can still feel the echo of battles fought here. Walk the streets. Pink, yellow, and turquoise buildings line Calle de la Fortaleza. Balconies overflow with bougainvillea. Doors are heavy, hand-carved, some painted deep blue or red. Plazas bloom with fountains and shade trees. At night, lanterns light the old city with a golden glow. La Fortaleza, the governor's mansion, has stood since 1540. Today, it is a World Heritage Site. San Juan's city walls once kept out invaders. Now, they embrace a city that welcomes the world. San Juan is a living museum. Every corner holds a story, every stone a memory of conquest, rebellion, and hope. Daily life in Puerto Rico is a blend of old rhythms and new dreams. In San Juan, mornings begin with strong coffee, café con leche, served in tiny cafes where old men play dominoes. Street vendors fry up alcapurrias and bacalaitos, their smell drifting on the breeze. Locals gather at La Placita, a market by day, a party by night. Mofongo, the island's signature dish, is mashed plantains mixed with garlic and pork cracklings or seafood. It's hearty, salty, and unforgettable. Fresh fish comes straight from the sea. In the mountains, roast pork, lechon asado, draws families together on weekends. Every meal is a celebration, a gathering, a piece of living history. Music is everywhere. At night, salsa and reggaeton spill from open windows. Young people dance in plazas. Artists paint murals on city walls. Explosions of color, pride, and protest. Baseball, boxing, and basketball are passions here. On weekends, the beaches fill with families and friends, sharing laughter and song. Puerto Rico's people move through days shaped by sun, sea, and sound. Life is lived out loud, and every moment feels like a small festival. Why visit Puerto Rico? The reasons are as many as the colors of the island itself. Walk the ancient streets where each stone tells a story. Stand atop El Morro and watch the Atlantic crash below. Lose yourself in El Yunque, where rain falls on giant leaves. Culture is a living dance, a feast, a song. Puerto Rico lingers in the soul, never quite letting you go.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.